Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a very quick and speedy morning cleaning routine. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, I'd love to have you as a viewer, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today is a Thursday. I am currently off work because I'm due to be working on Saturday, so I've got a day off today in the week. So I've taken my time to have a really relaxing morning with George, and I'm just going to clean the house nice and slowly, although this looks really speedy, and not do too much either, so it's really simple. So I just start by opening our curtains and making our bed. I feel like even if the room is slightly messy, if you have a made bed in the morning, it's going to just feel a lot more organised and clean, so that's something that I always really want to get done just to set me up for the day. And then obviously the area that I've gotten ready, like the dressing table, I just put away the things that myself and my partner have used just so it looks a little bit cleaner in the bedroom. I really like to, if I can, get a load of laundry done every day, unless there isn't enough to do a full load, then I normally just wait till the next day. But I have been doing a lot more washing recently with having George home a little bit more as well. So I'm just going to make sure that I put a full load on this morning. I'm going to change the hand towel and just sort out the dressing gown so it looks a little bit neater. Put some bleach down the toilet and also clean up just like the bath area and where we've all sort of brushed our teeth, just putting everything back where it needs to go. I feel like even if you just have a little sort of spruce up, it just makes everything look a little bit more fresh, ready for the deep clean obviously on Saturday. I'm going to move on then to George's room, so I'm going to start by opening his curtains, making his bed. He has so many teddies. I don't know if you can see there on the left just how many teddies he actually has, but he won't let me go through them or get rid of them, so I might have to do it on a day he's not here. But he obviously has his favourite ones, which are his dinosaurs and also his unicorn. And then I'm also just going to pack away all these toys. In the morning, sometimes if he gets up, he likes to just sit and play by himself with his toys in the morning before he comes in and wakes us up. So I'm just going to pack all of this away just so it looks a little bit more cleaner and organised for him to probably trash in an hour's time. Just going to go downstairs then and put the washing on. So I'm just going to pop a tab in, I'm going to use some of the Lenore Unstoppables, and I'm also then going to put some softener in as well. I tend to just do it on like a low heat for everything. I don't really separate my colours or anything, which I know is terrible. But if there are things that need to be put on a delicate wash, I will make sure, just like that jumper I took out. And then anything like socks, tights, pants, etc., I just put in one of these little laundry bags just so we don't get any sort of stray socks in the filter. So the kitchen was pretty clean after dinner last night. I'm just going to pop away all the things I've used for the laundry and then start putting away the things that we've used for breakfast. We had Marmite on toast. I also made a cup of tea so the sugar was out, and there was a bit of a rubbish from the night as well. And there's also a gigantic Coke box there that we drink, so I'm just going to pop that in the conservatory so that stays nice and cold. And then I'm just going to take some of the Dettol antibacterial surface spray and use a cloth and just wipe up any sort of crumbs or anything that's left over from breakfast. I'm just going to wipe down the sink before I start washing up, and I'm going to wash up everything from breakfast before I empty the dishwasher, so that way then the dishwasher is empty for the rest of the day. Moving on then to the last room of the house for my morning clean. So I'm just going to start by opening up the blinds. I'm going to pop away George's toys that he's played with this morning, because after I've done this we're going to actually go out on George's bike, just literally around the driveway, because my back and hips are hurting too much to go anywhere else, and even doing this much cleaning is stressing me out. And I'm just going to wipe down the table where he would have had his breakfast, make the sofas, just make it look a little bit neater, and then just go around very quickly with the hoover just to hoover up any crumbs that George has dropped from his toast this morning. Please excuse how I look, because we have just done some cleaning this morning, and then we've just been out for not a bike ride, but I've just... Yes, darling? Find your eggs. I've just taken George out on his little push bike, just literally around at the driveway and the road, just so he could have some fresh air. But that is pretty much my morning cleaning routine. Doesn't involve too much, because usually the house is pretty clean from the night before, so I don't feel like I need to do too much to it. But it definitely does get messy with everyone getting ready, George playing with his toys like early morning or in the night, and I have just been completely unaware, and like having breakfast and bits like that. So I just wanted to really do an updated cleaning routine. It's getting really difficult as well being pregnant, because I'm suffering with the worst back and hip pain, so it's really hard to do these things, but we need to clean and keep a clean house, really, so I've got no other choice. Yes, darling?
I'm hungry next.
You're hungry next, okay. Well, I'm going to go and make us some lunch, because we're both very, very hungry. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a viewer, and yeah, I'll see you in another video. Take care, bye!